Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Anyway, the first of all, this will be 16, not 9 or 19. Okay, okay. I'll start in few minutes. Okay, I haven't shared the screen. I'll share the screen and then we'll start. Right? Hopefully, it is. You can see this is visible. I hope. Okay. So, welcome everyone to the last session. As no one requested, also I did not don't feel we need any extra class. So this will be the last class. Okay, last tutorial session. So which we will be solving assignment or uh, week 12 assignment. Okay, without delaying, let's start. So which of the following gives the convolution of the functions? Okay, so you know the convolution. Convolution is defined as a uh, integration rate, right? So f star g, it will be integration over ft g of t minus s ds, that type of, right? So mainly here you need to find out what is the convolution function. Okay, so we'll start. I stopped if anyone can do. Okay, leave it. So we'll start. As I said, f star z tau you can write as 0 to t. Okay, not tau. I'll define at t so that you can do integration from 0 to t f of tau g of t minus tau d tau, right? That is the thing. So now we have f is e to the power t, so star t square, that will be, so let's take from 0 to t, and this one will then transform to tau, so it will be 0 to t e to the power tau star, not tau square, t minus tau whole square. This star is now multiplication, t minus tau whole square d tau. Now if you do integration by parts, it will be whole square to the power tau from 0 to t, right, minus, we take 0 to t, it will be, and 2 times t minus tau e to the power tau, right? Yeah, from 0 to tau, 0 to t. So this one will give you, at t it is 0, tau equal to t it is 0, right? And tau equal to 0 it will be t square, so negative of t square e to the power 0 minus 2 times okay. So one thing we missed it, 2 times t minus d tau, and if you take integration of minus tau it will be minus 1, so this minus 1 will be there, so total it will be plus 2 times t minus tau. I am writing this t minus tau to the power tau, that is from 0 to t, minus integration over the that will be minus of, so it will be plus e to the power tau from 0 to t. Just to make sure you are also getting the same, hopefully you will get plus 2 times, when you put t equal tau equal to t, that is 0, so negative of t plus e to the power t minus 1 e to the power 0, that is 1, that is equal to minus t square minus 2t minus 2 plus 2 to the power t. So we write that 2 to the power t minus t square minus 2t minus 2. This should be the answer. Hope you understand, because we start with this convolution function and we just uh, find the convolution of the function, that 2 e to the power t, right, which is everywhere we have 2 to the power t minus t square minus 2t, 2 e to the power t minus t square minus 2t, 2 is going minus 2, these two can be, then it is minus 2, so this cannot be, so this will be the answer, second one will be the answer. Here is also your solution also, solution of question. So date should be 16, so it is just 16th April. What's the Laplace transformation of the convolution ft is equal to 2t cos 3t? So one thing we need to know, that L of ft convolution is not product. times gt, that will be L of ft multiplied with L of gt. When you take Laplace transformation of convolution of two functions, it will give you product of the Laplace transformations. Okay. So once we do that, we need to mainly know about what is the Laplace transformation of e to the power 2t cos 3t, and we need to know L of e to the power minus 2t sin 3t, right? And everything else, we just, not everything else, what the solution should be just multiplication of these two, right? So what is this? This will be as cos of at, you know, a over, sorry, s over s square plus t square, and here you have 2t, so s whatever is there you just translate by minus 2 because of e to the power 2t. So that will be s over s minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. You see, wherever s was there, due to e to the power 2t, I made s minus 2. Here also sin 3t, what is that, you know? S a by s square plus s square. So a is here 3. 3 over s square. S square will be now translate to s minus of minus, so it will be plus s plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Is that correct? So now the answer will be then 3 times s minus 2 times s minus 2 whole square plus 3 square is 9, and s plus 2 whole square plus 9. Okay, it's written in a different form. So 3 times s minus 2 over s square. So how it is written? S square plus 13 in that type of form. Okay. Okay. S square minus 2s plus 13. It will be s square plus 2s plus 13. Okay, that is okay. Then 3 times s minus 2. You take s square plus 3, so s square plus 13, sorry, s square plus 13, that is whole square minus 4s square, right? A plus b minus b. 3 times s minus n, so third option should be correct. 3 times s plus 4, s minus, sorry, s minus 2. So this is not correct. This is correct. This is not correct. 3 times s minus 2, but s plus s plus. So option 1 should be correct. See, the thing is given to you that s cube minus s square plus s minus 1, that you can write as s square times s minus 1 plus s minus 1, right? That is equal to 1 over s minus 1 times s square plus 1, and you know this will be equal to Laplacian of what is s minus 1 thing, that is 2t, sorry, not 2t, t, it is what t convoluted with convolution with s square plus 1. What is s square plus 1 over s square plus 1? That is, see, because you can write it's 1 over s minus 1 times 1 over s square plus 1. So instead of it will be the sine 1t means sine t. That's a convolution. So using now convolution, what you can show that L of this will be okay. In general, inverse of Laplace transform. I mean, you need to find out this one. So mainly Laplace inverse of this whole thing given to you 1 over s cube minus s square plus s minus 1 will be e to the power t star sine t, and you don't know this product explicitly if you don't do this. So it will be e to the power t to the power tau sine of t minus tau d tau, that will be equivalent is anyway, I believe so. E to the power tau first, and then sine, it will be so minus of cos t minus tau. So we have taken integration of okay d tau. Oh, so that will be positive because minus tau is there from 0 to t minus okay 0 to t e to the power t, so e to the tau. So out I took first towards e tau, so e tau times the integration, so it is this will be same e to the power tau cos of t minus tau. Okay, so instead I will start with this one. So mainly we need to find evaluate e to the power tau sine of t minus tau, right? 0 to t e to the power tau sine of t minus tau means tau I read like tau minus t, negative of that dt, sorry, d tau will be equal to negative of 0 to t. So I'll make this negative common everywhere. Now I'll take sine t minus tau first, then integration of this will be to the tau, and I take it from 0 to t minus, so 0 to t. So first component is sine, so it will be cos of t minus t e to the power tau d tau. So this we got like this, so equal to negative of, when tau equal to t, then you will see this will be 0, but only when tau is 0 you will have the solution, that is minus t e to the power 0 minus, so cos of tau minus t e to the power tau d tau, this it will keep as 0 to t cos of t minus t e to the power t dt. Now if you again do the thing, then you will get, so this is anyway, this is minus of sine t, so you will again get from here, if you get cos t minus tau e to the power tau, it will, you will again get minus of cos t1, then right? So you will obtain uh, when t equal to, see, you will get first cos tau minus t, that is from 0 to t, that will be plus e to the power t minus cos t minus the same integration 0 to t e to the power tau sin t minus tau dt. So what does it imply? This one will be then half time this. So, and there is the answer. What is that? E to the power t minus sin t minus cos t and half e to the power t minus sin t but not minus 1 minus 2t minus cos t. So 4 will be our answer. So for the periodic function, uh, L of ft will be 1 over 1 minus e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st ft dt. Usually it was up to infinity, right? But for periodic function it will reduce to here. So and t is the period. In this case the period is 2, you see. So it will be e to the power minus 2s 0 to 2 e to the power minus st, that will be remain as it is, minus st. What is ft? Ft is t only in 0 to t dt, right? That is nothing but 1 over 1 minus e to the power 2s. So you will see it will be e to the power, so t times e to the power minus st, because you take over minus s, that will be from 0 to 2 minus uh, same thing, but it will be t will be 1, so 0 to t means 0 to 2 e to the power minus st over minus s. That's all. That is nothing but 1 over 1 minus e to the power 2s. At 2 only the value will be there, otherwise it will not have any value. Minus the value of t is varying, right? So it will be e to the minus 2s, yeah, over minus s, minus when we take 0 to t, 0 to what will be 1 over, it will be s square, and but thing will be to the power minus s. It will be from 0 to 2, right? That gives 1 minus e to the power 2s, 2 e to the power minus 2s over minus s, minus at 2 it will be to the power minus, okay, so st is there, right? And 2s over s square, and minus 0 at 0 it will be, so total will be plus 1 over s square, that is equal to, okay, if you see this closely, 1 minus equal to 2s okay times 2 e to the power minus 2s over minus s, and this one is s square, 1 minus 2s, so it will be 1 by 1 plus s square, so that gives you 1 by s square minus e to the power 2 e to the power minus 2s over 1 minus e to the power 2s, 1 by s square e to the power 2s, okay, so one need to do again, just multiply and divide by e to the power 2s in the second term to obtain e to the power 2s minus 1. 1 over s square, 1 over s square minus 2 over e to the power 2s minus 1, minus 2 over e to the power 2s minus 1, but s will be multiplied still, right? Which I forgot to do. S square, sorry, s will be multiplied with that. S will be multiplied with that. S will be multiplied. S will be to the power e to the power 2s minus 1, and it will be negative. Yes, okay, 1 over s square, 2 over s times e to the power 2s minus 1. So if you try to do with usual transformation, what will happen? This Laplace of u minus half, sorry, ut minus half, it is a function like defined like this, so that will be integration over 0 to infinity, but in this case what will happen till 1 by 2 to infinity, because less than half it is 0, the whole function is also getting multiplied 1 times e to the power minus st dt, right? That's all. That is nothing but equal to half to infinity. I don't need again half to infinity, it will minus st over minus s, that will be from half to infinity. At infinity is 0, at half it will be negative half e to the power minus uh, half s over minus s, that is e to the power minus s by 2 over s e to the power minus s over 2 over s for that's correct. Yeah, that is the solution for fifth question. Now we'll move to the sixth question. Laplace transform of u of t minus half u, where u is defined like the like before. Then how to obtain this? Mainly this is also mine. So u of t minus half times t minus half. What will be that? If t greater than equal to half, t greater than equal to half, it was 1. So in this case, 1 times t minus half, that will be t minus half. And it is 0 otherwise, so t less than half, it is 0. So instead of 1, we will have t minus half times e to the power minus st dt, integration of over half to infinity in this case. So I hope similar to the previous one, use integration by parts. Okay, see, the answer is also given to you. Now I'll show you how to solve this. So if you put L of this whole thing, L y dash minus L y prime will be L of cos t, right? So what is L of y double prime is equal to, if I remember, s square L of yt minus sy0 minus I think so s square minus sy0 minus y prime 0, right? That is equal to, what are the things given? Y0 is equal to 0, y prime 0 equal to 0. So it will only be s square L of yt. Okay, what is L of y prime? Sorry, L of y will be L of y prime will be s of L of ys, sorry, yt minus y prime 0, sorry, y of 0, right? Y of 0, that is 0. So it is s times L of yt. So what you will see, if you have this L y double prime minus y prime will be L of y double prime minus y prime will be s times s minus 1 L of yt, and you know that is equal to cos of t, and that is nothing but s over s square plus 1, right? That is the cos way. So L of yt, as they are equal, L of yt will be 1 over s square plus 1 s minus 1, right? So now if you take inverse Laplace transformation, that will be you have to do with this is this if you see, we have already done this kind of thing. S minus 1 times s square plus 1, s minus 1 times s square plus 1. Yeah, you see s minus 1 and s square plus 1, the solution is the same, half e to the power t. So you do the again same way, and I'm just leaving it to you. That will be yt will be then half of e to the power t minus sine t minus cos t. Okay, that's all. Which of the following Laplace transform yt 1 minus t. So okay, this is the answer. Okay, half e to the t minus cos t minus sin t. Answer is also given to you. Then I will move to the eighth question. Eighth question says yt equal to 1 minus 0 to t minus tau yt dt. Okay. What is this menu? This one? This one is the f star g, right? Taking if you take Laplace transform in both sides, this will give you L of yt equal to L of 1 is 1 by s minus, this is convolution of t and y, right? And the convolution of t and y will be multiplied with t. For t it will be 1 over s square times L of yt again. So that implies 1 plus 1 over s square L of yt will be 1 over s. That is like L of yt will be, this will be s square plus 1, so s over s square plus 1. See, s over s square plus 1. So this is nothing but cos t. Yt will be cos t mainly. Okay, but you need to know only this much. So that is okay. If I move to the ninth question, it will be also similarly. So L of yt we will put as 1 L of this minus, what is sine hyperbolic? Sine hyperbolic will give you 1 over s square minus 1. S square minus 1 times again L of yt. So that gives you s square by s square minus 1. No, yeah, 1 plus 1 over s square minus 1. So s square by s square minus 1 L of yt will be 1 over s. That implies L of yt will be s square minus 1 by s will be s minus 1 by s. Sorry, it is b cube. So things will be, that implies L of yt will be 1 over s minus 1 over s cube, and you know yt, then it will be, because L of 1 minus, you will see t square will be 2 over s cube, so it will be t square by 2. So yt should be 1 minus t square over 2. 1 minus t square over 2. This fourth option is correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. And this is not correct. The solution is given to you also. Check it, and then we'll move to the last question. And then by that, I will end this session and end the class for engineering mathematics 2. So how do you solve this system of difference equation in using initial condition is given to you? Okay, I'll show you how to solve it. So we'll take Laplace transformation in both sides. So what we have, x0 is equal to 1, y0 is equal to 0. Okay, dx dt is given to you by 2x minus y. Dy dt is given to you as x plus 2y. So that will be, I will denote it as L of, let L of xt is equal to x is L of yt is equal to ys. Then what will happen if you take Laplace here that will be s time xs equal to 2 times, okay, x times x s times xx minus x of 0, which is 1, equal to 2 times xs minus ys. Now dy dt will be, if you take here Laplace transformation, if you use Laplace transformation here, that will be s times ys minus 0, it is 0, that is equal to xs plus 2ys, right? So if you solve it for x, y, if you just multiply this by 2 to obtain, so you have to mainly multiply and divide by, so that, no, so from here it will get, you will get s minus 2 ys minus xs is equal to 0. From this one you will get, okay, ys plus s minus 2 xs is equal to 1. Just evaluate to obtain xs will be, you just check it, it will be the answer s minus 2 whole square plus 1, and ys will be the 1 minus s minus 2 times 1 over s minus 2 times s minus 2 whole square minus 1. So that will be, yeah, 1 over s minus 2 whole square plus 1. So from here what you can see, xt is e to the power 2t, s over s square plus 1 is cos t, and from here yt is equal to 2t sin t. That's all, that's the answer. See how easy it was using Laplace transformation. So I have done the calculation, and this is also will be shared with you, the solution of question 10. And yeah, so books and references given by Professor Jitendra Kumar. So now this is the time to bid farewell. Maybe I'll stop this session by wishing you all the best for the NPTEL exam and for your career, for your future. So do well, do best. Yeah, if you need any help anytime, not only for this, maybe some other math, you approach me, I'll try to help you as much as possible. Okay, and yeah, thank you for your attention. See you. So in case you need my contact, this will be, this is my institutional ID, can approach. Okay, or another maybe I can give if needed. Okay, if otherwise this was this, that's all. Otherwise you can put in the YouTube channel, the name is Beauty of Mathematics. Okay, so this one is also another Beauty of Mathematics. So yeah, see you, all the best.